Are you an interior designer, applied architect, or service designer, or above all, socially committed? And would you like to develop inclusive experiences for people? Then the Postgraduate in Space and Service Design will help you realize that dream. I am Tafara, and I'd like to tell you what you can expect. As a space and service designer, you really design for change. You learn how to use design thinking skills to create services, spaces, and ways to communicate that have impact and are inclusive. The program refers to the UN Sustainable Development Goals, so that the projects we're doing are meaningful and relevant to today's crazy world. All the students already have a bachelor's or master's degree. They are fellow students from architecture, product design, and graphic design. But at the same time, there's also a student with an MBA and a master's in social sciences. What we have in common is that we are motivated to design not for ourselves, but to design for people. We work an entire year in multidisciplinary and multicultural teams on real-life projects. We go on location and talk to real clients and their real users. And doing that changes everything. We can then offer a much more holistic solution to some really complex problems. If you want to design for real people and design inclusive services, you have to understand what the needs and dreams are for both the client as well as their users. During our course, we learn to apply research-led, user-centered design methods and become empathetic designers by meeting and interacting with real people. We don't only work in our design studio on campus, but we also go in the field to co-create with organizations. One of the goals of the program is to expand our professional network. This is through weekly masterclasses from industry experts and through collaborations with design agencies. Some students want to really expand their design skills with this one-year specialization in service design, while others have their own business aspirations. Although in this course, we work on social design challenges, the service design competences can also be used in commercial projects, and we get to see this range in the internships that the students follow. Perhaps something most important are the 21st century skills we gained this year. After graduation, we have the skills as a service designer that enable us to identify and respond to the unmet needs of a range of sectors like healthcare, education, hospitality, culture, and retail. From roles in service organizations in the private and public sectors to multidisciplinary design agencies, the Space and Service Design Program makes us change makers. You can launch your career as a professional service designer or consultant, user experience designer, design researcher, public space architect, retail designer, and much more. So many options. I've already sketched out my career dream. Now it is up to you to outline your future plans.
Thomas More, where it happens.